Well, folks, it's been a long week. Time to grab you a brew, sit on back, and watch some Newbie Q.
Welcome to Newbie Q.
Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Today, well tonight technically, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's dark out. I got some extra lights, I brought some extra lights in today. There's another one over here. So I do apologize if it kind of looks kind of trashy, I got cords running everywhere. But, we are going to cook something up tonight. It's cold, and I'm hungry. So right now I'm cooking up some burgers and some bacon. These burgers and bacon are all going to go inside for the kids and my wife, and then we're going to make our sandwich. Tonight we're going to make a grilled cheese burger. Now, I know what you're thinking, but you're thinking wrong. But if you've seen the thumbnail, you probably know exactly what I'm doing. But anyway, we're going to get this burger made, and I'm hungry because I haven't ate all day and I really want to eat. So let's get this burger made up real quick. We're going to get these guys done and ready so they can go ahead and eat, and then we'll make our burger. And that's it. Just stay tuned. Oh, also I forgot. If it sounds different, I got a different microphone on. I apologize if the sound's off or anything. Also, we're going to put you on a chest camera. I kind of got you on the chest camera now, but I'm going to put you on the chest and while we make the burger. That way I don't have to keep holding the camera and trying to, you know, do the grill and all that at the same time. So I'm going to get this chesty put on real quick, and then we'll get to going on these burgers. Get this bacon off of there. Get the bacon off of there. Okay. All right. Bacon's done. Oh. Blue's back. Hi, Blue. All right. 2 burgers. Whoa. Yep, losing stuff. All right. Burgers are on, as you can tell. Let's season them up. I like this seasoning, this Weber Steak and Chop. That's good stuff right here. And we're going to top it off with just a little. Oh, that's a problem. Don't take that cap off. Now powder it up. Just a little bit of Famous Days. That's pretty good. There we go. All right, do this one step at a time. We're going to cook the burgers, then we're going to do our grilled cheese. Yeah, so if you guys are wondering, Parquet squeeze butter is the way to go if you're trying to butter bread, because it's already kind of liquidy and you won't tear your bread this way. Tip from the pro. Peace out, I'm not a pro. All right, look at that. Delicious. Butter to butter, that way you're not spreading it around. Spreading it like the old coronavirus. So we got a nice clean surface for our toast. Alright, we got a lot of cheese. We're gonna make this thing extra cheesy tonight. We have, see if you can read the package, smoked cheese. Alright. I'll put a couple pieces on here. A piece that way, a piece that way, piece this way, and a piece this way. Boom. Just like that. Get it melty. Nice and melty. That's how we like it. I'm gonna start these, oops. Cut that backwards, didn't I? Put my hand in it. Put my hand right in the butter. We're gonna start the bread toasting here. Just like that. Alright, so a little longer. We want that cheese good and melty. Boy, I tell you what, I got a heck of a mess. I got all kinds of crap here, all kinds of crap here. Let me tell you, this cooking show thing is, it ain't for the birds, man. It's hard to do. Alright. Alright, we're gonna pull the meat off. Woo! Pull that one off over there. Put this one over here. Alright. Burgers are done. Step 1 complete. Okay, we're gonna add cheese now. We're gonna put the cheese over here. I hope I have enough cheese. Surely I got plenty of cheese here. Should we do more cheese? Let's do 2 more. Let's do 2 more pieces. We're gonna make this sucker so freaking cheesy. It's gonna be unreal. Probably gonna stop me up for a week. There we go. Okay, so we're just about ready to flip these pieces of bread over, and then we'll make our actual toasting cheese or grilled cheese, however you want to say it. Do you call it grilled cheese or toasting cheese? I'm not really sure. I call it grilled cheese or toasting cheese. It doesn't really matter. And then we'll build our burger. So I almost forgot a step. Let's pick out some good bacon here. Pick out some good bacon, some good flat pieces of bacon. Oh, I dropped a piece. That's okay. That's my eating piece. Piece of bacon, good piece of bacon, one for me. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Get you some bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. I really love my bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. We gotta get a lot of bacon on here. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Is that a real tune? I don't know if it's a real tune. Alright. Oh, yeah, put a little piece there. Alright, here we go. So flip that over. Boom, 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 boom. Flip this piece over. Ooh, this way. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Eat my piece of bacon. Alright, so now we're going to steam it. Or whatever. Get it nice and hot. That way that cheese melts real nice. But we gotta keep flipping it so we don't get the edges burned. So you want to keep it, make sure it's nice and flipped. Okay. Now, get her back up. Let her set for a minute. Alright, check it out. I'm gonna especially go. Cheese isn't melting as much as I wanted it to. Oh no, bacon fell out. Okay, crisis, avert a crisis here. Let's make sure we get this cheese in there. The smoked Gouda doesn't really melt as much as I was hoping it for. Hoping it to do. Hoping it for? Hoping it to do? Alright, we're gonna pull them off. They're not as melty as I was hoping. I will tell you that much. I was really wanting them to be really, really melty, but that cheese doesn't seem to melt very well. Okay, we'll come back to this. We'll come back and clean it. I promise. Don't tell nobody. Okay, let's build this sandwich real quick. Alright, we're just gonna take this sucker here. Boom. Take us our burger patty. Boom. Burger patty. Boom. And our other sandwich. Boom. Look at that sucker right there. That's a sandwich. Let me tell you. Alright, real quick. We're going to cut into the sucker. Here, maybe we should do like the diagonal cut. Diagonal cut? Is that the way you say it? Diagonal? Diagonal. Oh yeah, mama. Make sure we cut through all that bacon. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Doesn't that just look beautiful? All right, gonna take a quick couple pictures and then we're gonna go eat this sucker. Okay, so I made a mess. I'm gonna clean up real quick, and by the way, that burger was phenomenal. Or sandwich, I guess. I don't know if you consider that a burger or a sandwich. I think the sandwich is probably better off, but it was so good. That was amazing. That smoked cheddar worked out phenomenal. I'm actually really surprised. I was a little concerned. It didn't melt very well. I wasn't a fan of the fact that it didn't melt very well. I wanted it to be like real cheesy, and like when you pull it apart, it's all cheesy and stuff. But didn't work. That's okay. It tasted great. It was awesome. Bacon worked out real nice. It was good. I've never tried that bacon before. I was a little concerned because when you pulled it out of the package, it kind of tore apart. It was all right, but flavor-wise, it was phenomenal. I loved it. So burgers were good. I used that Weber Steak and Shop, a little bit of Famous Days steak and I think it's like steak and burger burger seasoning. A little of this Weber Steak and Shop seasoning. Anyway. It was really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean up, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling, and we'll see you next time. English is rough. We'll see you next time, guys. Peace.